Hi everyone, my name is Sonia. You can call me Truestyle. In today's video, I want to show you how to create a Ghana braided wig. Yes, that is what I'm going to do right now. First of all, I am sewing my net on the wig cap. Yes, before you get started, you need to sew your net on your wig cap. Before you do that, before you sew, you need to hold it with a T-pin, just like you see me do. Go with a T-pin so that it can enable you to sew, or else it will not allow you to sew it. Really. So after that, you sew just like you see me doing. Sewing my net on the wig cap. Alright, I want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe on my video and God bless you. Also, don't forget to like, share, and give me your comments. Thank you. To get started, I'm using this extension from Lush. Yes, it's Lush products. And this is blue color. Let's say royal blue. Blue. Whatever blue is blue, that's what I need for my braiding. Yes, I cut it into 3 parts before picking it. If you need a pencil mat, you need to pick it very well so that it can give you what you're looking for. And after that, you brush it, as you can see. Okay, right now I am braiding by crocheting. I'm crocheting it on the net before braiding. That is the way I want it. Some people can actually sew this, you know. You can sew it by braiding your hair separately before you start sewing. Maybe I will try and do that in my next video. You need to braid it separately on a rope first before you can sew it on your net, one after the other. But right now I am crocheting it for braiding. So again, thank you for watching. Please and please don't forget to subscribe and also press the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. I just started this YouTube stuff, you know. I hope you guys will help me to grow. Thank you very much for stopping by to watch. You're great. Thanks a lot. God bless you for watching. See how it is? It's getting fuller. Right now I am crocheting my hair. I'm crocheting the extension on the net, and I am following it little by little on a straight line. Yes, if we are, anyway, it just depends on what you want to do. just like this my braiding, I want to do this center part, center part braiding. So if you want to do it center part braiding, you need to follow it line by line. You need to protect your hair in a straight line, just as if you are cutting hair, like cutting hair straight before you weave. Put it in a straight line. Alright, and I decided to braid feeding cornrow instead of Ghana braid. I decided to braid feeding cornrow. Yeah, that is what I am doing right now. Braid my feeding cornrow. It's going to come out fine. Going to come out very fine. Right, that is how we do it. Just watch and see. The simplest way to make feeding cornrow. This pattern is the simplest way to do it. You can also use this pattern of feeding cornrow to make your knotless braiding. Yes, it's the most easiest way. See, our braiding is getting a shape. It's beginning to have shapes. After braiding is the time to beautify our wig with a bead. It's a beautiful wig. Alright, once again I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you, and thank you once again for stopping by to watch. Just like I said before, without you guys I am nothing. Please help me to subscribe, help me to like, help me to share, also help me to send your comments. I want to read your comments. I want to know what you guys feel about the whole process. Thank you once again for watching my video. See you